Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve Leetcode problems. So I already told you I'm covering that SQL concepts. So it's almost comes to end. So I thought to solve this Leetcode problems. At the end we have to be comfortable in the interview. We have to solve the interview questions. That's the end goal. So to solve those questions we need some concepts. That's why I covered those tutorials. Now I solve these live these problems. So you can go to this lead code and you can see here. So there is a different study plans will be available. So one plan I'm taking is like SQL 50. Ultimately you have these 50 questions. If you solve these 50 questions you will be comfortable. uh, I mean you can become comfortable enough to solve any question related to SQL. So that's the advantage of solving this SQL 50. We'll start this question. We'll start the first question. So, um, let's do it this. So you can see the UI and everything. It was good. You can see when you are doing first time, so you'll get these kind of options. So what is this? You can resize this panels, and after that you can maximize the panel. So you can end this, and you can do the settings here. So okay. So this is a question the given to you. So ultimately, we have one table. The table has three columns. One is product ID, low fats, and recyclable. And they given the type, the data type, and you can see the example also. This is the input, and you have to remember one thing. So first, you have to understand the table name is products. You have to, whenever a query given to you, you have to identify what is the table name. That is the first step, and after that, you have to know like what are the columns. These are the columns, and after that you have to understand, okay, what are the values, what is the data type of those. It's just an observation, you have to do like this. And after that, at the end, what they're expecting the product ID. So from these data, from this existing table, say they want the outcome like this. So then what you have to do. So we already covered select statements. Anyway, like if you want to extract this information, you need this. So how you can figure out like what kind of a query you have to pass. So ultimately, you can solve using select, or you have joins. So joins you won't use, because if you want to deal with the two tables or two data sets, then you can consider about joins. If you're not dealing with those, then obviously you can use it within a single table. You want to extract this information, right? So ultimately what I want is, what is the condition they given. uh, Low fats is yes or no. And they given this question of write a solution to find IDs of the product that are both low fat and recyclable. So that means if low fat says yes and recyclable also yes, if both these are yes, then I want that product ID. So that is a condition. That is a question they ask. That is the thing they want to explain. So out of this entire data, only these two observations have both the low fats and recyclable or yes or y. Otherwise, rest are no. So simply what you can do, you can write a statement like select. You want to give all from what table you want to do. You want to do it from products. Then you want some condition, right? Where you have to use where. Okay, you can. I mean, you can use capital letters also, small letters also. It's your choice. So select all from products where low fats, low underscore fats. That is a column name. That is equal to, it is a string, that's why you have to use it in the quotes. And you have to use one condition like and, because it has to be yes, and also recyclable also be yes. Sorry, equal to y. Sorry, I have to mention the same values which are mentioned in the table. Okay, then after that at the end you have to conclude with the semicolon. Okay, then we can run this thing. Just verify my account. Let's see this thing. Just a second, guys. I'm just. I think now it's. Where I have to verify. How I have to verify. I have to verify. First, actually, you have to verify this account, then only you get you're able to run. I thought, let me try it in my mobile. Yeah, I think it's verified. Let me. You can see the result. Yes, yes. Yeah, you can see the results. Whatever statement I given. Just case is yes. Okay. Now it's sorted. Actually, we just need to verify that account and only it will work. So, what they given. Okay. So this is a blunder actually. So why they are expecting only product ID? If I give this hashtag symbol, then you will get low fat recyclable also. These are the things you have to remember. So what what column they are expecting, that also you have to give. So now we have to pass only product underscore ID. In this way it will be useful. So if you look at the results now, then you can understand, okay, so where I'm getting wrong. So now it will work fine. See, it is accepted, it is working fine. So that's how you have to run. Okay, so that's the condition is same. So they given the query like this, and they given the question like this, and you have to understand what outcome you want to do, you want to get, you want to retrieve from that table, and what condition, what is the table name, what are the columns you want to expect. So that's it, very simple. So you have to just frame the logic and you have to execute it. So that's it. So you can click on submit. So that's it, it was accepted. So in case if you are unable to solve, so we can You can look here like solutions are there, submissions are there. You can understand like, editorials are there. So based on those things, you can figure it out. Like so what is a mistake you're doing? At the end, what matters is like how you're solving. So here now I face this issue, right? I given this asterisk symbol. So, but I got the clarity like we have to pass this product ID, then only I can understand. So in this way, you can learn. So if you solve the 50 questions, it will be very helpful to crack most of the interviews related to data analyst or data scientist roles. Obviously, they start with the SQL only. So that's it. We cleared this question one. Now we have to solve the next question. We'll cover these next questions in the next tutorials. Yeah. Thank you.